Last 4 months, about 4 months, some of my affiliates have earned over 4 million naira, 5 million naira in commission, in direct commissions, yeah, in direct sales commissions. And they've also earned about 2 million naira thereabouts in a affiliate sales challenge. This is to show you that people are making money through affiliate marketing. All right. And if you're out there, if you're someone out there who wants to start this affiliate marketing business correctly, and also make money for yourself, because you've heard of people making money, winning challenges, winning cars, winning travel tickets, and stuff like that. And you wonder how they do these things. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 skills that you need to master. And these are skills that you have not even thought about, right? This is not the kind of skill that you expect. This is not about Facebook ads and stuff. No, you can outsource those ones. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 skills that you must master if you want to become a top affiliate marketer. If you want to become an affiliate marketer who generates money consistently, who makes money, who wins challenges, and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm going to cover these top 3 skills that you can start learning, harnessing, mastering now, that would help boost your affiliate marketing journey. Hi, welcome. My name is Courage. I'll ask that you please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more of my content, consider subscribing to my channel and also smash that bell icon here so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Let's dive in. So the first skill is lead generation and nurturing. Now, affiliate marketing, be it Nigeria, be it in the overseas, wherever it is, right? Lead generation is the bedrock. Lead generation is the bedrock of every success. If you are not generating leads, you cannot make sales. Now, when you bring it down to Nigeria or Africa, we have our peculiarities, right? Compared to other parts of the world. Probably somewhere in the US, UK, Canada, all those places, they use lead generation, they use email marketing most often, okay? And it works for them. I mean, it works. Even in Nigeria here, people use email marketing. However, we most often use WhatsApp marketing. So we generate leads from Facebook, from Instagram, from YouTube, different platforms. Generate leads from those platforms to your landing page, then take their details. You extract their details and you move them into a WhatsApp group. Some affiliate marketers have up to 20 different WhatsApp groups. You are here, you have just 1 group or 2 groups, and you're complaining that you're not making sales. Those who are making sales, they have multiple groups. In fact, sometimes WhatsApp can ban them and they keep opening other WhatsApp and keep doing it because they're making money. So if they are not generating leads, how were they able to have these multiple groups? So you have to learn lead generation and nurturing. It is one thing to generate leads. It is something else entirely. It's a different ballgame to nurture your leads. If you generate leads and you do not nurture them, then, you are most likely going to fail. Excuse me. Yeah. So if you generate leads and you don't nurture them, you are most likely going to fail. So have it at the back of your mind that if you want to make money doing affiliate marketing, you must learn how to generate and nurture leads. That is the foundation. That is the bedrock. That is the most important aspect, because you're going to sell to people. Who are these people? They are not ghosts. You have to attract them, the leads, the people, the prospects. The second skill that you have to learn is offer creation. You must learn how to create an offer. Now, there's a limit, or there's a ceiling to where the course creator or the product owner can get to. The rest of the job falls on you. Of course, when the course creator has a lot of good offers to their course, it makes your own job easier. However, what is that thing that differentiates you from other affiliates who are promoting this particular course? Do you get me? So there has to be something that differentiates you from other affiliates who are promoting that course. This is where your offer comes in. So that when people are seeing different adverts from different people for a particular course, when they come through your own advert, something will propel them, right, to get this course through you. People have different offers. People have so money off, so money back. People have bundle offers. If you get this course, I have this my own course, or this my program that I will give you for free. I have this. I will teach you this, and that. So you have to learn how to create offers. Your own offers, not the offer that comes with the course. Your own offer that will make the leads want to purchase that course immediately through you. So you must learn how to bundle offers, how to create offers that would convince people that you are the real deal. Your offer will make people buy from you instead of someone else. So learn how to create offer. It's a very great skill. And the good thing is that these skills I'm mentioning, they are skills that once you possess them, once you have them, you can deploy it into other businesses. You can deploy it into other businesses, not just affiliate marketing, into e-commerce, into different other businesses, and you are going to make a killing. So the third skill is audience building. So you are not just in affiliate marketing because you just want to make money, earn commission, and go. No. You have to find a way to build an audience so that you can have a recurring income. You have an audience. You have people who now trust you, people who now believe in you, people you can always fall back, people you can always easily sell to. Right? Check out most of the top affiliate marketers you know in Nigeria. They have a kind of a larger following than the average people. Yeah. Not just even on social media, on their WhatsApp, they have, because these are audiences they are building. When you attract and nurture these leads, you are building an audience. You are building an army of people, a community. So audience means your community, people who believe in you, people who trust in you, in your judgment, people who would easily part with their money to buy what you are selling. Now, and if you noticed in this video, I did not add Facebook ads as one of those things you can do. You know why? Because most of the top affiliate marketers that you see, they don't run their ads by themselves. They outsource the ads. They outsource the Facebook ads. They outsource the YouTube ads. Yes. You don't know? Are you shocked? You don't have to be shocked. They outsource the adverts. So they are not the ones running the adverts. Even when you are building a sales page, like building a sales page that can convert, that can vomit money for you, they also outsource those ones. So they don't bother themselves with all those. Their focus is on generating those leads, nurturing the leads. So when those adverts is generating the leads, their job is now to nurture those leads, convert those leads into paying customers. So their job is to create an offer first. Excuse me. So their job is to create an offer first, then begin to attract those leads, nurture those leads, sell to those leads, and now build a community. Have a community of people who trust you, who like you, who believe in your judgment, in your sense of judgment. So they easily follow you. You can easily talk to them and they will listen to you. So if you want to be a top affiliate marketer, these are the top 3 skills that you must learn, you must master, because these are the top 3 skills of top affiliate marketers: lead generation and nurturing, especially nurturing. Yeah. Because if you don't nurture the leads, you will lose the sales. Offer creation, you must have your own offer apart from the offer that the course creator had made available for the course. You need to have your own offer, and you have to be creative with your offers. All right. Then learn audience building so that even when you are not running adverts, you are making sales. Do you understand? Even when you're not running adverts, you, my friend, you are making sales. I hope this made sense. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer you. Okay. Thank you for watching. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments box below, and I'll respond. I'm more than happy to answer you. And feel free to leave a comment if you have contributions to this video, to the topic rather. Leave it in the comment section below. And then I'm on social media, so you can follow me on social media, on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. My name is Courage Ngele. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.